I want to be a mechanical engineer when I'm older, so this is basically this is part of it, and all the basics of machining goes into engineering, so it'll help me along for college. We come down here and we just work on real things. We've made hammerheads, we've made vice stops, stuff you're gonna make in the machinist world.
Well, the students learned here how to run the basic machines, the skills needed, so that they can fabricate the parts that do apply out on the street in the real world. I also encourage other people outside the school to bring us projects to work on, and we modify them or fabricate from scratch. And it helps out in the community, as well as show the students that what they're learning has real world applications.
I learned welding. Honestly, I love it. It's so fun and it calms me down, so it's a really cool experience.
Well, I encourage all my students to further their education, and that will open so many doors for them in the industry in the area and other areas, not just here in Lynchburg, in Central Virginia.
Machining really just opened my eyes to the different parts of career tech that you can have. And my junior year, I came into here and I didn't know a thing about machining, and I know basic real world problems that I can fix from this class. So it definitely helped my mind open up more.